Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT Plus. Your card has been declined problem. The question is, when do you usually encounter problems like this, especially when it comes to your card? I'm going to show you now. First, go to your Google web browser and then type chatopenai.com and then click this login, especially if you have existing account already. If you don't have, just click sign up. Then continue with Google. So all you have to do is to sign in your valid email account. Once done, click next. Done. And here you are. Now, if you're going to tap these three vertical lines here, you can probably see this upgrade plus. When you click this one and you want to upgrade your ChatGPT, you need to click this green upgrade plan. And then once you click this, it will take you directly to the payment option. So here you need to see the amount you need to pay. So we have $20. And in order to proceed, you need to type the code here. So let's just say this is my code. And then once done, all you have to do is to click next or wait as it is processing. So here below, you can see that you need to type the information about your card. So just in case you encounter a problem here or your card is being declined, all you have to do is to exit the application and go directly to your email. So when your card is being declined, you really need to ask for a help from the customer service team or from the support team. So you must go to your email address and type their email address support at openai.com, this one. And here you can type your subject like card being declined. And then compose email here, you need to type your concern, your main issue. So let's just say, good day, please help me. My card is being declined. And you can just add more to that. And then once you're done with this, all you have to do is to send this message and wait for the customer service team to respond or take any action for this. And then they will email you. And you need to follow the instructions so that there will be no more problems when it comes to you using your card on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.